How do you get an Amazon Prime Video free trial? There's a couple different methods of this, but the main one is that Prime Video is included in Amazon Prime, and Amazon Prime has a few different free trials. So if you're between 18 and 24 years old, or if you're a student, you're going to be able to qualify for Amazon Prime for young adults, which gives you 6 months free of Prime Video. That's a huge free trial, and after that, the kicker here is it's half off. So you get Prime for $7.50 a month after your 6 month free trial. You also get all these other Prime benefits like Amazon Music, of course, free delivery, and then $0 food deliveries, which is kind of a new one on there with Grubhub Plus, as well as 5% cash back, which is a pretty awesome deal. So that's the biggest way that you can try or get Prime Video for free for a certain amount of time. The other two ways, one of them is just the full Amazon Prime 30-day trial, and then after that it's, you pay yearly or monthly. It's cheaper if you pay yearly. The other one would be if you qualify, you can actually do a free trial of Prime Access, which is the discounted Amazon Prime based on income level. And so you can see down here as we scroll down on that main page, links to both these pages are in the description. We can actually click on Prime Access, $7 a month, and then try that. And you just have to do an income verification, and you get all that same Prime benefits, right? Prime Video, Amazon Music with Prime, Amazon Photos. After a 30-day free trial, then it's only $7 a month. And so that's another way that you can get Prime Video for free. So that's your Prime Video free trials that you have here through Amazon Prime.